Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to wrap text in Canva. If you've ever wanted your text to flow more naturally around a shape or simply fit neatly within a space, this will save you time and make your designs look more polished. Whether you're designing product banners for your Shopify store, promotional materials, or social media graphics, properly wrapped text can take your design to the next level and make it more visually appealing. Start by opening your design in Canva so you can follow along with your own project on screen. First, let's wrap text around a circular object, like a logo or a photo, using Canva's curve effect. Click once to select your text box. With the text selected, look to the top toolbar and click Effects. In the panel that appears, find the section labeled Shape and choose Curve. You'll see a slider that controls how strongly the text bends. Drag the slider until the arc of your text matches the curvature of your circle. If your text needs to hug the top of the circle, move the slider in one direction. If you want it to sit along the bottom, move it the other way. Take a moment to look at the spacing and the overall shape. The goal is to mirror the curve of your object, so it feels intentional and balanced. This feature is ideal when creating designs for product labels, circular logo placements, or any rounded design elements that need to have text flow seamlessly around them. Because the text remains fully editable, you can adjust the wording or font at any time without redoing the effect. This makes it easy to tweak and perfect your design as you go, ensuring that everything stays aligned and professional. Small tweaks to the slider usually make a big difference, so move it slowly and watch how the letters follow the curve. This feature is perfect for creating a professional, cohesive look around logos, product images, or any circular design element you want to highlight, making it especially useful for your Shopify store's product pages or promotional material. Now, let's look at simple text wrapping inside a text box, which is perfect when you want your copy to fit a specific width. Click on a text box to select it. On the left and right edges, you'll see white pill-shaped handles. Click and drag one of those side handles inward to make the box narrower. As you do, the text will automatically flow to the next line to fit the new width, creating a clean wrap without manual line breaks. This is great when you need to fit text into a precise space, like in a product description, marketing materials, or social media posts. If a line feels too cramped or a single word drops awkwardly, nudge the handle a little to fine-tune the width until the lines look even. This approach helps you keep paragraphs tidy and readable, especially when you are aligning text beside images or within columns. It's a great way to ensure that your designs are neat, professional, and easy to read, particularly for product descriptions or marketing materials in your Shopify store. By ensuring your text fits perfectly within a defined space, you enhance the overall design, making it more visually appealing and easier for your customers to read. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Now you know how to use text wrapping in Canva to create professional-looking designs with text that fits beautifully within any space. Whether you're wrapping text around logos or ensuring your product descriptions are perfectly formatted, this tool will help make your designs more polished and visually appealing for your Shopify store. Don't forget to experiment with these techniques to make your design stand out.